Good evening, everybody. Stephen from Break Free Homestead. Today, I figured we would do a quick garden update. It's been about 2 months-ish since we put everything in the ground here, and we're starting to get some good stuff, and we figured we'd go check it out. So in this first row, we have jalapenos. Some of them are starting to get big, and some are still small. The weeds are a never-ending battle here.
Over here.
I could use a good weeding right now, but
Dad, look, these are
anyway.
big.
What do you have?
Tomato.
Okay.
Cherry tomato.
I think there's some Roma tomatoes, maybe. Roma?
Roma.
Can you say Roma? So have that down here,
Growing.
and then we have about one whole row of tomatoes.
Big ones. Look at the sunflowers.
The jalapenos are starting to flower, but no fruit has been producing yet, so hopefully soon we'll see something on those. As you just saw, Sophia showed you, the Roma tomatoes are starting to grow very small. So next couple of weeks, hopefully we have something to eat. And then you come up here to the cherry tomatoes, and they're getting pretty big over here. Filling up the tomato cages. Lots of flowers, starting to fruit. Very exciting. We have our lettuce varieties here. They're looking totally out of control. We've cut once and trimmed off them once, and then we went camping. We haven't touched them since, but tomorrow morning we'll probably cut those for a salad in the evening.
I got a weed, Dad.
Every once in a while, a random tomato plant made its way into the lettuce, which is always great, isn't it?
What is that? A weed?
Tomato plants. How did tomato plants get into lettuce? Down here are our green beans, about a good half a row, and then a few over here. I don't know if they're bush or trellis beans. I didn't plant them, so don't ask me. Look at that. Got a hard worker over there. Look at that. Taking care of weeds. Didn't even ask her. That's good work, Kai. Now down here, our peppers are looking super measly, and I don't know. This one's starting to bud here, but you're really not going to get anything off a pepper plant that small. And then our 3 lonely strawberry plants that probably will not produce anything this year. Now summer squash, on the other hand, we have an abundance of it. Last year, we didn't really get anything. I think one flowered, and then there was nothing. But let's show you the summer squash.
Look at these. Kai, look at that squash.
They're just fruiting all over the place.
Yeah.
Here's another good sized one. You use for picks tomorrow. More. Almost every single plant has some. But then we have the weird stuff over here. It's not really doing much. So, I don't know. Maybe up there is the good place, and down here it's just not that great. I don't know. We're learning. It's, you know, we expanded it this year. If you haven't seen that, drop over here and see how we expanded the garden this year. Then we got over here. Some spots are drying up. I'm not sure if it had to do anything with weeds or whatnot. And here's a little trellis idea we tried. And nice big cucumber right there. It'll be ready to go tomorrow. Here's another one. Kind of funky looking. Maybe it's drying up. I don't know. But they're starting to come out here and there, which is always nice. Been nice and full up here once again at the top. More squash, looking okay up here. Getting down to the middle, and it's not so hot. We've had a few plants dry up like this. I'm not sure what we did. We messed something up, obviously, but nice and toasty. and a little trellis back here. Not really producing anything right now, but we'll see if it brings anything. The miniature cornfield. 12 ears of corn, guys. So not really that big. I don't know if it'll pollinate on its own. We could look into doing something. Look into cross-pollinating it. If it doesn't do anything, I won't be super disappointed because we didn't really have that much. And last but not least, we have the sunflower field.
Want to see mine,
They're looking
everyone?
pretty tall. They're about 5 feet right now.
This is mine.
Yeah, that's Kai's, the big one in the corner for her school growth experiment. And there's about 3 rows of them here. Fee, you want to show me where yours is at?
My biggest one.
Yeah, show me.
Is right over there in the corner.
In the corner. These kids could basically get lost in there. It's like a little mini forest right
Hey,
now.
this sunflower is tipping over.
The sunflower
guys.
doesn't know how to stand up. What are you gonna do with it? Can you tie it?
How?
You just use its leaf.
Okay. He's gonna break it, Dad. No, he's not gonna break it.
Let me
My
take care
dad's
of it.
gonna fix this thing. We're gonna fix it, Tony. Whatever
Tony.
his name is.
Tony. Who's Tony?
His name is Jimmy.
Jimmy.
We're gonna fix it, Jimmy. His name is Jimmy.
Fee, you named this plant Jimmy?
Jimmy.
Apparently this plant's name is Jimmy. The kids named it. They didn't ask me about that. I don't know Jimmy. I mean, we know a Jimmy, but I don't know who Jimmy that is. Oh, not Jimmy, a chimney. Why is it called chimney?
Because it's huge and chimneys are huge.
Why is it called chimney?
Because chimneys are huge and it is huge.
Why is it called chimney?
Because it looks like he's a chimney.
Oh, okay.
Watch this throw, anyone.
Getting rocks out of the garden.
Whoa!
Like a boss. So overall, pretty happy with the results so far. I'm sure we'll get a lot more coming up soon, but it's finally exciting to see stuff grow rather than the plant, stuff that we should be able to eat as long as nothing goes wrong. I know something can always go wrong, but we'll see how it goes. Now, our garden this year is almost like a big square, and we are just using this oscillating sprinkler. You can pick them up at Lowe's or Home Depot, I'm sure. And it just stands up above the plants, and we have that hooked up to a hose and an automatic water that waters twice a day for, I think we do about 10 minutes twice a day, in the morning and the evening. So here's the automatic timer we use. It's by Orbit, and it works pretty well. I haven't had any issues with it, and this is the second season on the same set of batteries, so I'm quite happy with that. I appreciate you watching our videos. If you're looking for a water sprinkler just like that, or a timer, I'll drop a link down below. It won't cost you any extra. It just helps us out if you do purchase from our link. If you would, please consider dropping down below, hitting that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel out, and you could follow our channel as we grow. We create new content every Friday and Monday. Hit the bell notifications, that way you don't miss a single post.